Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Nikki the Creator. I am your favorite manifestation coach, making manifesting super simple for you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Today we're going to run it back to the basics because I've been noticing a lot of comments. I tend to answer manifestation questions in my comments sometimes, but because I'm launching this VIP group, I will be answering more so questions in there. So if you're looking for your questions to be answered, you can go to that group. There will be other people who are into manifestations, and there will be me, the admin, who is going to be answering questions. I will answer, I will interact, I'll drop tips, I'll tell you what I'll be doing in my VIP group. All right, guys? So the link is down below. All right. So today we're running it back to self-concept. All right. And we're going to talk about why self-concept is important and what the different aspects of self-concept is so that you can have what you want and keep what you want. All right, sunshines, let's dive into self-concept. So self-concept is how you view yourself and how you perceive that the world views you. And so a lot of you guys know about Neville Goddard, and Neville Goddard basically said that once you change your internal world, it will be reflected back to you externally. Everybody knows Dr. Joe who has inspired me so much in my journey. He talks about how you identify yourself, your personality is what will, create your external world. So the question is, how do you change that internal world? How do you change that personality, how you identify to have what it is that you want? Now, there's self-concept for you, like I am beautiful, I'm smart, I am intelligent, I'm irresistible, there's no one like me. Then there's self-concept, how people view you. Everyone treats me like a queen. Everyone falls in love with me. Everyone is spoiling me, like that. All right. And so that is the foundation. We're going to get into specifics, but that is the foundation. And so you have to first feel that with yourself. Now, I'm not saying that you can't have your desire, like getting to the school, get the guy, get the girl, get the money. You can't get it. I'm not saying you can't have it. But what I'm saying, it is best to have this foundation. Why not be confident with the money? Why not be confident with the guy or girl? Why not be confident getting accepted into your dream school? Why not be confident moving into your new apartment? You understand? And so a lot of these anxiousness and this worrying and this doubt can be eliminated if you have a great foundation. It's like building a house. Why would you not want to build your house on a sturdy foundation? The house can get built on so much foundations, but it'll start crumbling, and you're going to focus on putting up that part. You got to put up that part. You got to put up this part. When you just start on sturdy foundation, you don't got to worry about that, right? And all in all, I want you guys to get your shit. There's self-concept, and there's self-concept in relation to the things that you desire. And you can go into the self-concept and the things that you desire. Like, I've always had a good relationship with money. Men has always committed to me. I always get what I want, right? You can step into that, but why not change your self-concept, how you feel, how you view yourself, so that you can easily and effortlessly align to the things that you desire, right? Now, when you're insecure and you're trying to manifest a relationship, you're saying, SP loves me. SP, for those who don't know what SP means, a specific person, like a person. Let's just use the name Mike. Mike loves me. Mike wants to be with me. Mike is committed to me. You're doing all of those things, but you're insecure, right? And so the repetition is getting Mike to do those things, but you're insecure. So you're questioning when those things are coming in. So you're insecure, but the manifestation is coming in and you're like, I don't know. Rather than if you're saying, I'm confident, I always get the guy that I want. Everything always works out for me. Manifestation is super simple for me. Mike is coming in doing those things. And you're like, of course he's doing that. I'm irresistible. I'm unforgettable. I'm easy to commit to. You see what I'm saying, guys? This is why self-concept is important. I'm not saying that you need it to get what you want, but it's important. Why not have that sturdy foundation? So I'll give a success story. I'll give a success story with me, and I'll give a success story with somebody else. I knew a woman that was very insecure. She was very insecure. She questioned everything that her boyfriend did. She questioned everything that she did. She hated how she looked. She spoke out loud about herself negatively. She spoke internally negatively about herself. And everything in her life was going array. It was really crazy. Every time she came to me, she had this crazy story that I like. The way negativity manifests is so crazy sometimes. So it was like crazy. And she decided to get into law of assumption, power of the mind. And when I tell you that she chose to focus on herself first, she wanted to really focus on herself because she said she felt trash. And she focused on herself, and literally, not only could you feel the change around her, like when I met up with her again, you can feel her confidence. You can tell now she looked at her situations differently. She didn't complain. She rather said, "Oh, I know he's in love with me. I don't need to pay attention to that. I know I got this job in the bag," which she did get the job in the bag. "I don't need to live here. I don't want to live here. I want to live here." Now moving into her desired apartment. You guys, her self-concept, I look at self-concept like a power-up. Like imagine yourself like a battery or a phone and you're charging yourself. I feel like self-concept is charging yourself up so you can turbo mode into alignment with your desires. That's how I feel, right? Of course, you don't have to have that belief. You can affirm for what you want, but I've seen it time and time again. You can affirm for those specific things, but if your self-concept is not intact, you usually just don't believe that you're worthy of it or deserving of it. Self-sabotage it, right? So why go through that tug of war of having your desire but not having the self-concept to match it, right? Now, I want y'all to feel like bad bitches. I want y'all to feel irresistible. So what I'm going to teach is self-concept here as well on this channel. I want you guys to get your shit, but I also guys want you to feel like the shit, right? So you're irresistible, you're lovable. This is how you have to rampage for yourself, right? I'm irresistible, I'm unforgettable. There's no one like me. I step into a room and my smile captivates the room. I'm the literal beauty standard. I'm magnetic, I'm blessed, I'm witty, I'm smart. Every man that I want pursues me. Literally, guys. I'm a goddess. Everyone treats me like a queen. I'm always spoiled everywhere that I go. I attract love and prosperity everywhere that I go. That's how you have to talk to yourself. Talk to your subconscious. There's no one to change but yourself. 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 When you change yourself, you change your inner world, you then can receive what it is that you desire in the way that you desire it. Because when you change your inner world, your view on yourself change, and then now you can view your individual differently. So if you turn yourself into a confident being, of course you can get the guy because you know that you're the bitch, that bitch. If you change yourself into that confident being, you know you're going to get that job. You're qualified and they're looking for someone exactly like you. That's why self-concept is important. So if you're looking to boost your self-concept, if you're looking to get your manifestations, if you're looking to connect with others who think just like you, are trying to get into being a master manifester, join my VIP group. It is only $5 a month. Super fun in there, super affordable. I'll be communicating. If you don't want to do one-on-one coaching for that price, join the group. All right, guys, I'll be going live every single week answering all questions, because I see you guys questions a lot in the comments. I can't answer all the time. So join that VIP group. I will be answering in there. It will be a vibe. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate you guys so much. I've been growing so quickly on here, but I also been manifesting that. My videos always go viral. I'm the best manifestation coach. I'm completely booked out, right? So I speak life into me while speaking life into my self-concept. So guys, if you want more of this, if you want to be a part of a community that talks about law of assumption, success stories, all of that, join the VIP group. That's where it's at. That's the vibe. And I'll be answering in there. All right, guys.